How to make 1000 per month creating AI shorts faceless video with short.ai. Are you shy on camera but still want to make money on YouTube? What if I told you that you can earn 1000 per month creating faceless AI shorts without recording a single video yourself? Stay with me because in this video I will show you step by step how to use a powerful tool called short.ai to create viral faceless content and start earning. Even if you are a complete beginner, I will show you in the tutorial step by step from creating the short video and how you can upload into your YouTube channel. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. I am Raihan Rifat and today I will walk you through how to automate your YouTube shorts using AI and how that can become your passive income stream. Whether you are a student, freelancer or full-time dreamer, this is your sign to start now. What is short.ai? Short.ai is an all-in-all AI tool that helps you to create YouTube shorts automatically. You just type in a topic and generates the script, voiceover, visual, subtitles, everything you need in one click. It's perfect for faceless YouTube channels in any niche: motivation, finance, health, tech. So what is RPM? It's called revenue per 1000 views. That's mean revenue per mile. Okay, so this niche typically attract advertisers willing to pay premium for targeted high intent audience. That's mean if you create this kind of videos, so you can get highest RPM and that's gonna make you huge money. Let's see, top highest RPM niches is like make money online. You can get RPM like minimum 15 to 50. Personal finance and investing, highest $40. Credit cards, loans, you can talk about. Also you can create AI videos. That's mean all the loans and credit cards, $35 highest. Insurance, auto, life, health, different kind of insurance. You can create a fully insurance YouTube channel where you can talk about auto, life, health, different kind of insurance. That's when your video get views or 1000 views on this topic, and from USA, UK or Canada you can get $30 maximum or more. Real estate, digital marketing, B2B SaaS, e-commerce, dropshipping, Amazon, online courses, crypto and blockchain. Okay, so you can create complete crypto and blockchain tutorials. That's mean the market trending, different kind of blockchain or crypto, the prices, okay, and the investing, different kind of topic you can create, and you can create the videos. And definitely it would be AI videos, and the highest rate is that's been RPM $20. And education and skill based niches, that's the different categories. Also you can create business, finance niches, tech and tools niches. Okay, so just select your niche and just create a YouTube channel based on this niche. Luxury products and review, so if you want to create, or also you can create parenting, baby products, fitness equipment reviews. Okay, so these are the niche you can create this kind of YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. It's a luxury lifestyle today. So you can follow this YouTube channel, like you can create this kind of YouTube channel, like create a logo, brand logo and banner. Okay, and just write a description about luxury cars, supercars, $1 million real estate. This means it's all about luxury lifestyle. Secret Hollywood golden a mansion or something like this, age houses. Okay, so you can create this kind of videos and you can monetize this YouTube channel. Okay, so our target is to create this kind of videos. So you can create different kind of videos like cars, luxuries, or houses, mansions. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next part where I can create this kind of videos. Okay, so this is a pure example. So people are really making money using this kind of YouTube channel creating faceless video. Okay, so let's jump into third step. That's mean we have to produce the video, and the fourth step I will show you how you can upload a YouTube video. Okay, that's mean how you can upload short video to the YouTube channel. So we're going to use tools. It's called short.ai. okay, it's pretty simple, one of the easiest tools you can use, so anyone can use these tools. So if you want to use these tools, so check my description below, so you can just open the tools and sign up and you can use. Okay, so you can create Reddit story video, fake text, AI story video, alright, and different kind of caption generation, video to text, and these are the popular templates where you can produce different kind of AI story and fake text video. Okay, so I'm going to click on AI story video. Alright, and in this section you will see video starting hook and video ending, that's been call to action. That's really important. So I will show you how we can write a great video description so that we can find and we can get output the great video result. Okay, so this is the custom script section. That's been, if you have already a script you can use. Also, if you don't have any script and if you don't have any idea to how to write a great script, so you can use their AI script generation tools. You can select their template. Also you can custom prompt. So just enter your text and it will write full script for you, and then select your language. So you will find a bunch of languages over here: English, Korean, Dutch, Turkish, Swedish. Okay, different languages over here. So you can just select your favorite language and your own language or your client language, whatever it is. Also you can add the video starting hook, CTA, and also you can select the script length. Okay, so you can select the script length. So most expensive car in the world 2025, write 3-minute script in a single para. So this is the script, guys. So let's see, we want to create a video like top 10 most expensive cars in the world 2025. Okay, so you can add a hook, also CTA. So how you can find a CTA and add a hook? So I'm going to use ChatGPT. So this is the script you can generate, and the CTA, like here you can see, don't forget, like this one. So I'm just copying this last sentence. All right, and I'm just adding into CTA, and I'm just copying the first sentence from this. Okay, perfect, and this should be our hook. Okay, and the script length should be 9 to 120 seconds, language English. So click on generate a script. So our topic was 10 most expensive. So this is the number 1, the 10 expensive cards, and it's time to click on next. And in this section you have to select the background style. So you can select Ghibli styles, that's perfect. Okay, and this is very important, the ratio. You can select the short form video like 9:16. Also you can create a 16:9, that would be a long format video. So if you want to create long format video, definitely you can select this one, 6:9 ratio, for perfect for YouTube. And in this section, very important, just select your subtitle template. You will get bunch of templates over here. So which one is your favorite? Just select this one. So I'm going to select this one and click on next. And the voiceover, so you will find the gender like male, female. You can select the age, language, and the voice, source voice. Okay, and also you can select the more settings. That's mean you can the settings like increase and down the volume if you want, if you need. Okay, and this one is for young and perfect for YouTube channel, female and English. So just select this one and click on generate. That's what. So if you don't like to the voiceover artist voice, so you can change, very simple. Okay, so it's time to generating the video. So it will just a progress bar 0% right now, and don't worry, you can go back to home and you can just relax and sit back and grab your coffee, no problem, because you will find all the videos you are created in your my project section. Okay, all right, so our video is ready. It's 1 minute 14 seconds. So write a nice YouTube description on this topic. This is the topic, and also give me a YouTube searchable 20 tags for this. So this is the YouTube description, and also this is the most searchable YouTube tags. Okay, so you can copy, and also you can generate thumbnail idea and something else using this. All right, so our video is already downloaded. So it's time to upload the video. So let's upload the video, create on. Alright, so let's copy the description and just paste the description over here. Okay, it's a car review. Okay, so let's remove the, okay, it's perfect right now. Alright, so this is how you can produce AI short or long format video using AI, and you can upload into your AI Faceless Automation YouTube channel. So if you need any support and if you want to create AI YouTube automation channel, so just check out the description. You can hire me on Fiverr, like just $65. I will set up full YouTube channel and I will upload 10 shorts video. Also I will create the videos and you will get this kind of 10 videos, okay, and full YouTube channel setup. Once you hit 1000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days, you are eligible for YouTube partner program. That means ad revenue shorts flowing in. Some creators makes over 1000 per month just posting faceless shorts with. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell, because I am dropping more AI powered YouTube hacks every week. Comment below if you want to free niche guide or help setting up your first AI short. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.